In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Notion on your Windows computer. First of all, open an internet browser and then search for Notion. Visit Notion official website, which is notion.com. At the top menu bar, hover over downloads and click on Notion. Scroll down slightly. Here as you see, download Notion for desktop. You can use Notion on Mac OS and Windows operating system. I will download for Windows operating system. Click on download for Windows. Download will automatically start. Wait for setup download file. Once download done, click on show in folder. Here is Notion setup exe file. Just double click on that to install. Once install done, it will automatically open. Install done. Now you can use Notion on your Windows 11 computer. You can also open Notion from Windows Start menu. Then search here Notion. Just click on the Notion application to open and use it. To use Notion, log in your account, or if you don't have any account, just create a free account using your Gmail and password. Then you can use Notion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.